Hey y'all, it's Peryn, and for today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how to get this Valentine's Day makeup look, and it is 2000s inspired, so that's why I got me a shirt. This palette is called Purple Haze, and I just think it's so perfect for Valentine's Day. But the first thing I'm going to do is just use my LA Pro Girl concealer as a base. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this hot pink color, and I'm just going to be snapping that directly onto my lid. Then I'm just going to start softly dragging it out towards the end of my brow bone, and it's just going to give it this really smoky effect. Now I'm going to be taking the lightest pink shade in this palette, and as you can see, I'm just tapping the excess off first, but I'm just going to be blending the edges out. And I'm just placing it like in the middle, which is like where the crease is, and I'm just packing it on. Okay, so I did the other eye off camera, so now I'm just going to do this eye. And to carve out the hearts, I'm going to be using my M213 brush. Okay, so it was kind of hard to explain this while I was doing it, but I'm pretty much just tapping on the white concealer, and then I'm dragging it downwards. Then I'm connecting both of those together, and then yeah, that's pretty much how I make the heart. So before I draw the other hearts, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in with this same pink shade. So this is like the easy part as far as the hearts, but I'm just taking the dark pink and I'm just pretty much like carving out the middle section of it. So this heart, in my opinion, was a little bit too small for me, so that's why you see me going back in with that white concealer. Okay, so now I'm doing the same thing, except the hearts are going to be a little bit smaller. I can't lie, they was a little bit harder to do than the bigger hearts. Like you can see on my other eye, the smaller heart started to get smudged. And to define the heart, I went back in with that hot pink and I just pretty much carved out like the tail of the heart. And yeah. And so now I'm just drawing the stars, and this has to be the easiest thing that I draw on my face this day. So my hand hurts. Oh my god. This is what my hand look like. So I'm just gonna be popping on some lashes. So I put on my lashes or whatever, and they are from Lash Dreams. They're like my favorite go-to lash. Now I'm just going to do my face. So I'm just gonna use my Milani Conceal and Perfect like I always do. I literally use the same products almost every time I do my makeup. I always use my Too Faced concealer in the shade Mocha. I don't know. I think I'm debating on adding another heart like in the middle, but I don't want to disturb the look. Like I don't want to mess it up, so I'm just gonna let it stay. So now I'm just gonna use my Airspun powder. Bronzer, I'm gonna use my Soft Focus finishing powder. I'm going to be using this ColourPop. And to finish it off, I'm going to use the same light pink color. So I don't know if I want to do just a regular black liner or a white liner, because sometimes my white liner, it be cracking and I don't know. I need to stop picking at my lip. It is not cute. When I tell y'all, I hate making decisions.
You need to step outside the box, Penny.
Now I'm just gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of this color. So I'm just going to be using this brown gel BFF line from ColourPop, and I'm going to line my lips. And now I'm just going to be using this little mini MAC lipstick that came with their holiday collection.